Hello everyone, I'm Melissa with Mix and Some Magic, and today we're checking out the Holiday Inn Hotel and Suites Anaheim, a fantastic family-friendly hotel just a short walk from Disneyland. The Holiday Inn Hotel and Suites Anaheim is an amazing location. It's just a 15-minute walk to downtown Disney, which means you can easily get to the parks without worrying about parking or shuttles. If you prefer to drive, the hotel also offers parking, and when you book through Getaway Today, you get a discount on the parking fee. Now let's talk about the rooms. The Holiday Inn offers spacious guest rooms and suites, perfect for families or couples. The beds are super plush and comfortable, and I love that each room has a separate vanity area, making it easy for multiple people to get ready at once. The space is great if you're traveling with kids, so everyone can spread out and relax after a long day at the parks. It's really a comfortable place to unwind after all that walking. One of the best perks of staying here is the on-site restaurant, which makes grabbing a meal super convenient. And if you're traveling with kids, you'll love this. Up to 2 kids 11 and under eat free per adult. After a busy day at Disneyland, nothing beats a little time by the pool. The heated outdoor pool is perfect for relaxing, and if you've got kids, they'll love the splash zone, which has fun water features for them to play in. It's a great way to let the little ones burn off some energy before bed while parents can kick back and unwind. For those of you who like to keep up with workouts even on vacation, the hotel has a fitness center with cardio machines and weights. It's small, but it has everything you need to get in a quick workout before heading to the parks. Another nice feature is the small shop inside the hotel, where you can grab snacks, drinks, and last-minute necessities. So, is the Holiday Inn Hotel and Suites Anaheim a great place to stay on your Disneyland trip? Absolutely. With its close location, comfortable rooms, family-friendly perks, and that fun pool and splash zone, it's a fantastic option. And don't forget, you can save big by booking through Getaway Today. You'll get discounted rates, lower parking fees, and free kids meals. Click my special link in the description or call 855-GETAWAY and tell them Mix and Some Magic sent you to unlock the best rates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.